Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook good ground beef. To start, select ground beef with an 80-20% lean-to-fat ratio for the best results. Begin by preheating a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the ground beef without overcrowding the pan. Break the meat into small, even pieces using a spoon or spatula. This ensures consistent browning and prevents steaming, which can lead to a less flavorful outcome. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's fully browned. After browning, it's crucial to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step prevents your dish from becoming overly greasy and allows the seasonings to adhere better. Carefully tilt the pan and spoon out the rendered fat or transfer the beef to a colander. Now it's time to season. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you love. Incorporate diced onions and minced garlic, cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant, to build a rich flavor base. To achieve the perfect texture, avoid overcooking your ground beef. Overcooked beef can become dry and crumbly. Continue to break up any remaining large clumps with your spatula, aiming for a consistent, fine texture. If you're making a saucy dish, this is the ideal time to introduce a small amount of liquid, such as half a cup of beef broth or your favorite tomato sauce. This adds moisture and helps the flavors meld beautifully, ensuring your ground beef remains tender and delicious. Once your ground beef is perfectly cooked and seasoned, it's ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor its optimal taste and texture. Ground beef is incredibly versatile. It's fantastic in tacos, as a base for pasta sauces, or as the savory layer in a shepherd's pie. For any leftovers, allow the beef to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can safely store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, or freeze it for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.